Go.
Nigga, if I don't fuck with you, I put my foot so far up your ass, I might get my Air Forces stuck in you. Hit you in the face, it'll feel like a truck hit you. I'm getting fat cause y'all snacks on my lunch menu. Name a nigga that's fucking with me, and I eat that nigga like I had nothing to eat. I could go to college for my punchlines and get a degree, so I don't rap for free unless I'm getting the fee. Hey, look, B, and rapping overall you a C, and metaphors I give you a D, and you must have popped the E, motherfucker, cause I'm hard as fuck, but fuck rap nigga, rate me a G. And I don't know H, but I do know I confront you in your face or shoot long range. I got a J with the K. I'm like L's, but I ain't puffing with them, cause them niggas shady, but they ain't fucking with M, and I'm fucking with O, and I'm fucking with P. QRSTUV means nothing to me. And all you cornballs is WXYZ, cause on my hard list, your name in the E and D, nigga.
You know what it is.